Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to buy FC points on FIFA game. So let's get started. Begin by launching your FIFA game. Then tap on the store option which is at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then select FC points and gems option. Then select FC points. Now choose any one of the options that you would like to purchase. Complete your payment and you'll be able to receive FC points. And that's it. Thanks for watching Gaming Explained. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.